car drives great, but when I start braking, as you can see, it's shaking really bad. So stay tuned, I'll show you how to fix it real quick. All right guys, replacing this rotor on a 2010 Nissan Murano, it's extremely easy. Just jack up the car, put a jack stand for safety, and we are going to be removing the caliper right here. There's only held by 2 bolts right here, and then there's one back here. It's a 21mm socket. Super easy job. Let me remove those 2 bolts. So let me put on the flashlight so you guys can see better right there. Down. Now you can use a bungee cord so you can hold the caliper. Let me see how I can get it to work. Okay, right there. Now this should come out pretty easy. If it's hard, you can just hit it with a hammer and then eventually it'll come out. Let's put it on the side and grab our new rotor. There we go. The camera I was using stopped recording. I'm not sure why. So this is a clip from the driver's side, but the instructions are the same for the passenger and the driver's side. So what we have to do now, you have to push in the piston just a little bit more inside. You can remove the brake pads if you want, but I'm using this hack. It's easier using 2 wrenches. You just push it in a little bit, and then once you push it in, it'll be easier to put it in the rotor. Remember, once you put it in the rotor, make sure you put the 2 bolts in the back, and that's pretty much it. All right guys, rotors have been replaced and the car is driving smooth. I'm hitting the brakes. As you can see, I'm hitting the brakes now. Steering wheel is good, it's no shaky. So we fixed the problem. Link will be down below in the description if you want to buy the rotor. But yeah, that was my problem. The shaking is when you brake. And now look, I'm hitting the brakes now. Everything is riding smooth and sweet. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you in any way. If it did, please consider subscribing. Leave a like, share it with your friends. Go check my other videos, and thank you so much. Peace.